Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to build a WooCommerce website. So basically when you come to the dashboard, this is how your dashboard would look, and if you don't want anything on the dashboard, just click on the screen options and just uncheck everything just to clear your dashboard. It is a good idea to remove everything, but since we are doing this and this is our first lecture, so it would be a good idea to keep our dashboard clean. Okay, and if you are going to your default website, this is how it would look. This is the default theme which has been selected, and it don't look so good. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will go to my appearance and themes. So basically I've already this down uploaded this Ocean WP plugin, this Ocean WP theme, sorry, and this is how that theme looks. And now if I'm just going to the plugins, install plugins, then these are some of the plugins which I have, which are not activated by me as of now. Okay, so I have also transferred the plugins over here inside of my plugins installed plugin section. So now what I'll do is I will just select all of them, and I will click on this bulk action, and I will say activate, and I will say apply, and all these plugins will get activated simultaneously. Okay, let's just wait for a while. I will pause this video. It will activate all these plugins. Okay, so after that I got this kind of interface. Now if I'm just again going to the install plugins section over here, then now I can see that all the plugins have been installed, and over here I'm getting some suggestions where to just run the setup wizard. But if before running the setup wizard, I would love to install this Ocean WP theme. So what I'll do is I will come over here and I will click on activate. Just skip this option, we are not in need of this. And over here these are some of the options which are given to you by Ocean WP. Okay, so you can just go through this, but as of now we are not in need of this. So now what I'll do is I will just go to my plugins. Let me see whether that option is available over here. I'm actually looking for some special option. Appearance. Okay, so here it is. Go under themes and click on install demos. Okay, so over here you will see some of the demos which are present over here. So whatever demo that you want, you can do one thing, you can import the demo. But as of now we are we are building the WooCommerce website. So what we will do is we will search for WooCommerce a demo here. Okay, so there are a lot many demos present where you can select whatever demo you want. Okay, if you are building the jewelry a website for jewelry store, then this is the option. There are a lot many options for shoes, flowers, services, style, etc, etc. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will just search for the theme which was previously used by me. It was supposed to be somewhere over here only. Okay, so here it is. So I will select this one, and in order to make use of this demo, these are some of the plugins which are supposed to be uh, installed. But as of now all these are already installed by me, and only plugin which is not installed by me is WooCommerce blog. So what I'll do is I will install that also. You just have to click on this install option, will be available everywhere over here. But since I've already installed this plugin, so because of which it says activated. Okay, the only plugin which is not activated by me so far is WooCommerce blog. So just click on this install now, and it will install it and activate it automatically. Let's just wait for a while. Okay, so now that plugin is installed, just scroll down and click on go to next step. So after that it will automatically download some dummy data which is required by our website. So just do one thing, click on this install this demo and wait for a while. Okay, so now our demo has been imported, and now just click on the see the results, and this is our website. So now let me just refresh. Okay, so once demo data gets imported, this is how our website would look. So if you want to implement any changes to this website, you can always do that, because edit with Elementor option is present over here. You can edit this website with the help of the Elementor. Now in the next tutorial, I will show you how to customize and edit this website. So just stay tuned and keep watching. I will show you how to make changes to the website and how to customize it the way we want. Okay, so just stay tuned guys and keep watching. Thanks for watching.